Hello, this is Greg Douglas of Real Estate Candy, powered by HomeSmart, and we make real estate a sweet experience. I'm at 4601 Sunflower Drive in Mansfield. Family, I got a question for you. What transformed a house into a home? If I had to nail it down to one word, I would say love. You see, this is a special home because I helped my clients buy this home when it was brand new. They built it from the ground up, and the love and passion they put into this home is unbelievable. Little things like the upgraded landscape, the undermounting lighting in the kitchen, or the pergola outside with the outdoor TV. The love and passion they put in this house has allowed it to be a wonderful thing for the next buyer so they can create memories for their family here. So come take a look at it and let me know what you think.